So one thing that is different in Audition than Premiere when editing is that you can't just delete a gap between two parts of audio by just pushing the delete button on your keyboard. You need to actually right-click, go to Ripple Delete, and hit Gap, and that will close that one gap. But I find it easier to work with keyboard shortcuts for this. So how do I create a keyboard shortcut to do that? Well, it's really, really easy. So you're going to go up to the top left-hand corner, hit Edit, and then go to Keyboard Shortcuts. And here you can see a list of all the existing shortcuts as they are. And what you need to do is search the exact thing you want to create the shortcut for. For example, this one, we want Ripple Delete Gap, the name there, and that will show us exactly what we want. And now what we need to do is grab it from our command list here and drag it into the key that you want to be the shortcut. And just a side note, if you want Control or Alt or Shift or any of those before or in addition to the key, you're going to hold it down while you drag it. So before I click on it, I'm going to hold down Control if that's what I want and then drag it. However, I just want the F key alone to be the shortcut, so I'm going to drop it right into the F key. See? Just dropped it in, and now the F key is my Ripple Delete Gap shortcut. So here you can see the shortcut has been given. That little F means that that's the new shortcut. So I can hit OK. And now if I click on any of the tracks, and just a side note, this works much better when you're not in the Move tool, when you're in the Time Selection tool. So I'm just going to hit T on my keyboard, which is the Time Selection tool. And now I can go ahead and hit my new keyboard shortcut F. And every time I click within the gap, it aligns much better. This is a great shortcut. And like I said, sometimes it'll work in the Move tool, but that's really not the right tool to be deleting gaps. You got to be in the Time Selection tool to get it to work perfectly. But it's great. It's easy enough. And you can always delete that shortcut if you don't mean to have it. I've got another video on how to delete the shortcut after this one. I will link it at the end. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and please check out my playlist in Audition for more.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.